Hello friends. Make sure you have connected your earphones before watching this video. You might have faced a problem with the direction of sounds in Realme phones. Watch this video to see if you can understand the direction of sounds clearly. Now, if you don't understand the directions, continue watching. If you understand the directions, close this video and play PUBG already. Now, go to Settings. Select Sound and Vibration. Select Real Sound Technology. Turn it off. Now, see if you can understand the directions clearly. The difference is clearly noticeable when turning it on and off. Real sound technology is only good for listening to music. Otherwise, always keep it off.
That was unbelievable!
Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.